Hi everyone, I'm Mitra from Kids Programming. Today I want to show you how to create a story in Scratch. A story is an account of imaginary or real people events told for entertainment. In a story, you can make sprites talk with each other or move. So let's get started. So the first step is to choose the sprites and the backdrops. So I'm choosing Harper and a bear. Now let's delete this scratch cat. Now we can see that the Harper, that is the human, is bigger than the bear, which is the animal. Now we have to reduce the size of the Harper. So for doing that, we have to click on the sprite, which is the Harper, and click on the size option. We can type the amount of size which we want. I am typing 75. Yes, this is enough. Now I need this bear to flip horizontal. So for that we have to choose this sprite and click on the direction. We have to then click on flip. Point the arrow mark to the left side. There. Now let's choose a backdrop. I'm choosing the jungle. The second step is to write the dialogues of the sprites. So choose a sprite and go to events when the green flag is clicked. Say hello for 2 seconds. Change the hello to hi Balu. Now come to the bear when the green flag is clicked. First we have to add the wait 2 seconds. Because Harper says hi Balu for 2 seconds, so the bear should wait it 2 seconds. Say hi Mowgli. Again go to looks. Say let's go for fishing. So 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So click the Harper, wait 4 seconds and say OK. Now we have to add another backdrop. I'm adding water and rocks. So after saying OK, switch backdrop to water and rocks. Now it will not be easy to count all these seconds. So for that we have to use a block known as broadcast. A broadcast is an invisible message which sprite sends to another sprite or a backdrop. So for that we have to bring the block broadcast message 1 and change the message 1 to a new message called water. Now come to the bear. When I receive water, say we will do fishing without a stick. Now let's change the backdrop to jungle. Let's play the scene now.